3 easy ways to shrink an enlarged prostate naturally. Having an enlarged prostate is often embarrassing and frustrating. Constantly having to go to the bathroom, struggling to urinate, or fully empty your bladder can all negatively impact your quality of life. The good news is that shrinking your prostate doesn't have to involve medication. In addition to changing your diet and lifestyle habits, there are 3 natural supplements you can take that have been scientifically proven to reduce prostate size and get rid of your symptoms. 1. Beta-Sitosterol. Beta-Sitosterol is the most comprehensively studied extract for improving prostate health. Beta-Sitosterol works by inhibiting the production of an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. This enzyme is bad because it converts testosterone into a far more aggressive form of testosterone called dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, which in turn causes your prostate to grow. By stopping this process, beta-sitosterol may actually prevent your prostate from growing and even reverse your symptoms, and the studies back this up. In a systematic review of 4 clinical trials, beta-sitosterol improved both urinary symptom scores and urinary flow rates, in some cases by about 45%. It also significantly improved bladder emptying, reducing the overall volume of residual urine in the bladder. 2. Vitamin D. There is sufficient evidence to show that vitamin D plays an important role in prostate health. When vitamin D binds to receptors in the prostate, it stops the overgrowth of prostate cells and supports a process called apoptosis, which is the natural death of cells. That's why men with vitamin D deficiencies tend to have higher rates of BPH. And by increasing the amount of vitamin D you take on a daily basis, you can experience improved symptoms and reduced prostate volume. A systematic review of the correlation between vitamin D and BPH found that vitamin D not only decreased prostate volume in BPH patients, but also reduced prostate cell proliferation and other known growth-promoting agents such as DHT. That's why vitamin D supplementation should be considered when making a prostate shrinking plan. 3. Curcumin. Curcumin is the key active ingredient found in turmeric, the popular spice used to make curry, but it's also a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant which is used to treat many health issues, including an enlarged prostate. In a 2015 study on rats, curcumin was shown to not only reduce the size and weight of the prostate, but also to stop the production of various growth hormones, such as IGF-1, which has been linked with both BPH and an increased risk of developing advanced prostate cancer. But the great thing about curcumin is that it has many other health benefits as well. Clinical trials have shown curcumin to relieve symptoms of arthritis, help regulate body fat and support weight loss, improve blood sugar metabolism, protect against chronic liver damage, and many more. Having an enlarged prostate is common in most men over 50, but it doesn't have to be. You can take steps today to shrink your enlarged prostate and start feeling better now. Supplementing with natural substances like beta-sitosterol, vitamin D, and curcumin can make a big difference in the size of your prostate and how it affects your body. So if you're looking for relief from urination problems or want to reduce your prostate size, then these are the supplements for you. Thanks for watching. If you've learned something new from today's video, make sure to subscribe to Ben's Natural Health YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, if you want more tips on the best natural ways to manage your enlarged prostate, head over to bensnaturalhealth.com. Now, it's your turn. Which of the supplements from today's video are you going to start taking? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now.